Good morning. It's time to go to the Boundary Waters. Let's go.
Well, I love water, so let's do a water business, because that's what I want anyway, ponds and waterfalls. All right, we got all of our stuff in the canoes. We got an empty truck, mostly. We're actually going into East Bearskin today, port number 64. I'll give you some update as what's going on around the area. Talk about moose. There's been some moose sightings around here, so that'll be fun. Make sure you stop Aquatic Hitchhikers. Get all your stuff, all your people. Uh-oh, he's getting comfortable. So am I. We're going the wrong way! Oh, I'm trying to get that GoPro to work. Right there is the sign that says welcome to the Boundary Waters. Land ho! Oh, I'm gonna get wet boots. Ew! Who said to go wet booting? Now we have to carry all of this stuff. Well, people can carry themselves up this path.
It's not really a...
Ready, set, go. beauties of the Boundary Waters is you can camp on any site you want to. One of the drawbacks of the Boundary Waters is so can anybody else. But I don't know, it's a pretty cool looking lake. This is our campsite. Come up, a little hilly on this one, super slopey. Here's your fire grate. People put rocks around them to block the wind when it's coming in, especially from the south. We're a south-facing site. Got your seating spots. We got a camping site. You can set up anywhere you want. Don't cut down live vegetation. A couple of clearings here and there for you to set up. And the bathroom is going to be up here, it looks like. The bathrooms are 150 feet from the shoreline minimum. And that's how far back you're supposed to go to get firewood. So you come up here, and there it is, the bathroom. You, the plants, and the mosquitoes. This is your privacy. This is the view. Some people put murals up in their bathroom for stuff like this. This is where it's at. What we do when we're camping is we take the toilet paper with us, put it in a plastic bag obviously, and put it at the head of the trail so that you can know if the bathroom is in use or not. We'll go back and get some fire started so we can have some dinner. The double-decker. You're sleeping it up.
Okay.
It's okay, you can sleep it up. Alex, I think it's okay. I don't know if Alex is picking on you or not. Ray's been sleeping for, oh, what time is it? I have no idea what time it is. 16 hours? 18 hours?
What?
How long has Ray been sleeping?
Since the dawn of time.
Since the dawn of time. And drying stuff out, getting ready to go get it all wet again. So here we are, it's a little afternoon. We sent a couple boys out on a recon mission. Intel gathering to move campsite since it's close to where we want to go next. site looks a little small. Little,
I counted 2 spots.
I count one.
2 spots for. Well, there's only 2 tents. I mean,
We were right over that hill.
Hey, Alex, you gotta put your tent in the lake.
What's going on? It's full of
Got the front end off the ground.
classic single person canoe.
That's why I sit in the middle.
Man thing, Bigfootish type thing, just took my bait.
Swamp monster.
There you go.
Stump a couple times.
Yeah, I've seen Alex hit the stump. I haven't seen you do it yet. I brought a
Well, that's back to where we were.
Well, no, it's better.
Well, it's about 4 inches better, I guess.
Honestly, can we go with that?
I think we're going with that.
Yeah.
It's getting dark.
Nope.
No, you don't want to go with
I'm out
that?
here all night with this thing.
Okay.
For the late night progress.
Checking in at
You want me to do it
3:30.
again?
Derek wants to try again.
Yeah, I think we can get it closer than that.
Well, we got it once. We certainly can do it again. Don't. Look out. Don't die. I'm going to show that to your mother. She'll fire me.
It's like that time when I was a kid and we were shooting arrows straight up. Try to grab it. Never successfully grabbed it.
Uh-oh. I'm hearing the back throw here, so don't run me over. Ugh.
Oh, don't blink mosquitoes.
Oh, so close. Uh-oh. All right, Derek, show us how it's done. I think I've done this twice in my life in my last 15 boundary waters. Don't, not again.
This is what happens when you let Derek do it.
Oh, here we're gonna get twisted.
For me, at least I get it over.
This is what I excel at.
Screwing up.
Ooh, there you go. I think you can just throw it over. I can't see it though.
No,
No, wait!
Oh no! Now we're gonna have 2 packs down. Oh, is it coming to the boundary waters fun?
Come on, Derek. Alright. I'm gonna climb this tree.
Okay, the trick to climbing that tree is to grab the bucket. Grab the bucket.
Or we could just let that one down. It's not like we're gonna lose much. Hi, thanks for watching this video from Minnesota Waterscapes. Make sure you like and subscribe that video and give us a ring, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time.